We have arrived. So this is the sign. You know that you've reached Emandal. One of my most favorite places ever to come and visit and stay. And yeah, we're getting ready for art stays, and hopefully I remember to take some videos so you can see what we do. I can't make any promises because yeah, like once you get here, you're on Emandal time and you're in creative time, and it's really amazing. And just like go up for the blue sky, it's just like it's the best place ever. So yeah, I look forward to sharing with you. So this is the damselfly sculpture by Brian Tendrick, and he's a local artist, and this is another one of the beautiful sculptures that they have at Emandal. And this is kind of when you come in, like right before you get to camp and check in and see the gardens. But it's gigantic and it's kinetic, so it moves. Yeah, I love the wings. And the acorn woodpeckers. This is like the baby mountain. And that's the field where sometimes you can see the cows and such. Yeah. And then there's the damselfly again. Okay. So this is the main like dining room area and hangout and lovely porch. And that's the beautiful willow. There's another beautiful willow that you can't see. And then these are all the flowers and vegetable garden, the barn where there's the cow that they can milk, all the apple trees. Okay, and that's the deck where we have our little break in the evening in the shade and chat and talk about what we did during the day, all the different classes, and everybody shares. That's the pizza oven. And then here's a beautiful shady spot underneath another willow tree, and then more garden. And there's the awesome cow. And I want to show you, you can kind of see some of the tango cosmos are growing over there, and then there's a huge bed of coreopsis. Yeah, and this is just like another really beautiful view of everything. And there's the willow tree again. Good morning. I wanted just to kind of share how beautiful it is in the morning and what I get to look at when I get up. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of my cabin, but I'll take you on a little tour later. But there's all the trees. Oh, and I have a beautiful madrone like right there, and then another one. I love them. I wanted, whoops, I wanted to show everybody, like, this is not my cabin, but that's the cabin next to mine. And there's our adorable little outhouse, and then little places, and the cute cups hanging on the tree branch. And then that's my cabin. Hey everybody. So this is my kind of hello goodbye. I completely forgot to take any videos, of course, because I was so excited to be here. But I did get some videos taken today before I'm heading out, and I really hope you enjoy watching them. My little cabin, the beautiful little woods that you get to camp in, or that I got to camp in, and some of the pictures of the gardens and things like that, because I really I want people to kind of get more of a feel of how amazing it is to come and stay at Art Stays and participate in the workshops and just have this really special experience. But yeah, yay! I'll see you soon.